Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Fun. This is going to be a very important video for everyone who wants to become rich. So please listen to entire video carefully with proper attention. So every one of us dream to earn crores, right? Every one of us want to become rich. Yes. But how many of us are able to achieve that? Very few, hardly few people, right? Because we don't have that proper planning to achieve that. We have a dream, but we don't have any strategy or any planning to achieve that. So in this video, I'll be showing you all a very simple and easy way to make 1 crore rupees in just 12 years with only 20,000 rupees. Yes, it's going to be a very simple process, but you have to just patiently wait for 12 years. So let's get into the strategy. Watch the strategy carefully. So for this demonstration or for this purpose, I'm just showing you the PPFAS fund. It is Parak Parik Fund, Long Term Equity Fund. I don't have any association with this fund or I don't have anything related to PPFAS fund. I'm just recommending it because I've been using it since 2 years and I like the way they're growing and the kind of stocks they're buying. And one good thing about this fund is it divides its portfolio among other foreign stocks as well. Like it holds Amazon, Apple, Suzuki Motors, etc. So they allocate some 30 to 35% to foreign portfolio as well. And since I'm also invested in this stock, I'm just explaining it for the demonstration purpose. So I just want you to see the returns which this fund has generated for say last 5 years. So I'm showing it from 2016 Jan 1st till date. Sorry, you have to see the SIP returns once again. So let's select 2016 Jan 1st. SIP end date is current date. So you can see the annualized returns, it's 18%. Means the amount has been compounding at the rate of 18%. So I'm taking this 18% as a generalized thing for our calculation or for our strategy. So we are assuming we are compounding our money at 18% CAGR, 18% compounded growth. So let's calculate at 18% CAGR how much is 20,000 going to become after 12 years. So I went at 12 years here and the percentage yield is 18% and monthly I'm contributing from my salary or from my business income or from the rents or other income which I'm getting. I'm investing 20,000 into this fund, not necessary PPFS fund. If you found any other fund which has a CAGR of more than 18%, then it's even good. You'll get 1 crore even before 12 years. But since I found this fund good and they have been consistent, I've just chosen this fund. So I'm giving a monthly contribution of 20,000 and 12 years at 18% CAGR. So you can see the final amount 1 crore 44,000 in 12 years. So are we doing anything? Nothing. Just we are investing 20,000 per month constantly and without dropping any month continuously for 12 years. And at the end of 12 years, we are going to become a crorepati. Simple, right? So this is a very simple process. We are hardly doing anything. We are just selecting the perfect mutual fund or the perfect investment plan, and we are sticking to it for the 12 years. But the main important thing is that 18% should be, we have to get that, because we are assuming that we are calculating our growth at 18%. In case if it falls to 15% or 16%, then maybe 12 years will become 14 years 15%. But we are calculating at 18% CAGR, and it's quite possible. Just choose the right investment plan. I've chosen PPFS fund, so I'm sticking it to it for the next 12 years. Already I have completed 2 years, got more than 18% CAGR because the market has been good for the last 2 years. It might go minus 10%, minus 20% next year or after that year. But overall, after 12 years, the compounded growth will be 18%. This is what I've believed and I've invested in it. So, this is the proper and simple strategy which I'm sticking to for the next 12 years. So, hope this video is helpful for all of you to make a strategy for your life to get big gains for your retirement plan or for any other purpose like your children's education or your child marriage or anything. So please stick to this, start investing from this month without stopping anything or neither timing the market. Just blindly do the SIP for the next 12 years. The only thing you need to focus is select the right fund. That's all you need to do. So hope everyone learned something from this video. So if you have more questions on any funds or any other thing, or any, if you need any strategy for me to develop it for you, you can comment. I'll be replying to that for sure. So that's all. Thank you.